Hello world! So we're launching the new version of VisionsTrust, our platform, and for that I'm going to tell you a bit more of the story of visions. So first of all, why visions? Why visions plural? Because I think we're in an era today with AI where every life can be personalized and we can give the tools to every person to live their life, their vision, and no longer be imposed one vision for all, but each person can create their own reality, their own vision, and that's why I created visions. But the condition for that is that people can control the AI, can say what they want, can have the AI do what they want, and for that you need to control your data, because the AI will need your data to function, and if you control that data, you can negotiate with the AI to say, well, I want you to do that, and if you want to access my data, you need to respect my wish. And so that's why I created Visions now 7 years ago almost, and I quickly realized that it's larger than just one company. We need to create an infrastructure that is shared across the whole of society for people to share and control their data. And so that's what we're working on, to create this infrastructure, but we need also some concrete applications. And that's why we've been working with top education, edtech, HR tech organizations that use this infrastructure to provide innovation in how people learn and are skilled and upskilled and employed, because that allows people to say, well, this is what I want to learn. This is what I want to do with my life. And I think that is a crucial, fundamental aspect of our mission, is to say if we want people to define their life and their vision, then what they learn, how they are employed is an important aspect of that. One of the first domains where we apply that is in education, where people can now control their data to have more personalized learning content, more personalized learning opportunities and employment opportunities thanks to that data control. And that's what we're launching with VisionsTrust. And what we're doing with VisionsTrust is taking that infrastructure and making it really easy to use, easy to access, beautiful, very intuitive, and very accessible to all the organization, all the people that want to enter this new era of data sharing and allow every person to be in charge of their path, of their destiny, of their vision. And so that's why we're launching this new platform, VisionsTrust, today in the field of education, skills, and employment. And if you want to participate in that revolution, just subscribe and you'll be part of the new world. See you soon, world.